Welcome to Top Moments TV, where dangerous and thrilling journeys await every second. This is not only a story about powerful machines, but also a song about endurance, determination and courage in the harsh nature. Every turn, every screech of the wheels on slippery roads, all create a vivid picture of resilience, making viewers hold their breath and be excited. Amidst the misty fog of the primeval forest, the powerful sound of a chainsaw tearing through the air resounded loudly. Breaking the mysterious silence, the logger, in his bright yellow protective suit, was like a warrior who was one with the mighty machine. Each sharp, skillful cut, the saw blade entered the giant tree trunk like a powerful dance, leaving perfect incisions, demonstrating the ingenuity and superior strength of man and machine. The echo of the saw blended with the silence of nature to create a symphony of contrasts. Both rough and delicate, it was a wonderful combination of human skill and the primitive power of technology. Each saw cut not only brought efficiency to the work, but also demonstrated dedication and respect for the majestic nature. But this fascinating scene also carried a profound warning. Heavy, powerful, yet unpredictable machines can be incredibly dangerous if not operated properly. This is why only those who are highly trained and have a thorough understanding of the equipment are capable of conquering and mastering this power. To ensure absolute safety, leave this work to the experts. And always put safety first, in the midst of the vast but challenging nature. The EC1290 wood chipper with 800 horsepower is a powerful, specialized equipment in the wood processing industry. With a modern design, the machine is capable of quickly processing large types of wood, creating uniform wood chips, suitable for paper production, fuel pellets or other purposes. The operating system is durable, efficient and easy to maintain. Don't miss the Stumpex, a powerful stump grinder, designed to remove large stumps efficiently and safely. With a compact yet durable design, the Stumpex uses high torque to grind stumps into sawdust without causing major impacts on the surrounding environment. It works effectively on a variety of stumps, from soft to hard, and is commonly used in forestry projects, land clearing or construction projects. The Stumpex stands out for its time-saving, low operating costs and superior durability. If you find it useful, please leave a comment below. Stumpex. Legendary machines are not just tools of labor, but symbols of technical perfection and ultimate power. Their every movement is like an artistic dance, blending human skills and modern technology. Watching them overcome muddy terrain, lifting giant blocks of wood with confident grace, viewers cannot help but admire and marvel. Bark post. Barking machine is a modern equipment, helping to optimize the wood processing process in the processing industry. With the ability to remove bark quickly and accurately, the machine not only saves time but also minimizes manual labor. Equipped with advanced technology, the machine can handle many types of trees with different diameters and lengths, ensuring high efficiency and quality of wood after peeling. This is an ideal solution for wood processing factories. The 1988 Moorbark is a powerful industrial machine, specialized in the forestry and wood processing industry. With its durable design and high performance, this machine is often used to chop branches, wood trunks and organic materials. Equipped with a powerful engine and an efficient blade system, the 1988 Moorbark meets the needs of large projects, from wood processing to sawdust production. In the depths of the forest, the roar of chainsaws echoes, mingling with the powerful echoes of giant logging machines. This is not just a job, but an exciting adventure, where modern forestry equipment combines raw power with absolute precision. The loggers, the true heroes of the green forest, must not only stand firmly on the mountain but also control every saw stroke, every winch. They are not only loggers, but also engineers, explorers, and artisans, all performing a dance in the midst of nature, where the slightest mistake can change their entire life. Each Belarus MTZ-1221 is a symbol of strength and confidence. Watching it lift logs like they are nothing, one is easily drawn into its smooth and rhythmic movements. This is not just work, but art, a symphony of technology and human strength, creating a sight that is impossible to look away from. In the middle of a rugged forest path, two giant excavators work together to move a large boulder blocking the path. The roar of their engines echoes through the quiet space. Each powerful bucket firmly grips the boulder. One excavator lifts from the front, the other supports from behind. After a few tense minutes, the boulder is slowly moved, opening the path through the forest to continue the journey. The scene is both majestic and demonstrates the power of technology and human ingenuity. 3mm wood slicer is a specialized equipment in the wood processing industry. Designed to peel and cut wood into thin, uniform slices, the machine works by feeding the wood into the blade or rotating knife system. Ensuring the exact thickness of the wood slice is 3mm. This product is commonly used in the production of plywood, furniture and other industrial wood materials, helping to save raw materials, increase productivity and reduce waste. The machine can be adjusted to handle many different types of wood, suitable for small to large-scale production. Forestry Discovery H452 extended, like a giant arm reaching out to distant trees while the H452 cuts fast. This duo increase productivity and reduce environmental impact, providing a sustainable solution for modern forestry. The handheld rice cutter is a compact, convenient agricultural equipment, designed to help farmers harvest rice quickly and efficiently. The machine usually has a gasoline or electric engine, combined with a sharp cutting blade, helping to cut rice neatly and save labor. With a lightweight, easy-to-use design, the machine is suitable for small farming areas or places that are difficult to access with large machinery. This is an ideal solution to increase productivity and reduce harvesting time compared to traditional manual methods. It was unbelievable to see a huge oil tanker truck cross the river like a giant crocodile gliding across the water. It was amazing. Without further ado, here I present to you a machine called Vermeer Mini, a wood splitter with a pointed tip designed to cut and split wood efficiently. When the machine is in operation, its pointed tip will penetrate the tree trunk, creating a powerful force to break the wood into small pieces. This is a useful tool, helping to reduce labor and time in the process of trimming wood, while increasing productivity and accuracy. The tractor lay stranded in the thick snow, its wheels unable to turn, stuck in the icy ice. Though the engine roared, it was unable to pull through the thick snow. The scene was a testament to the power of nature, as even the most powerful machines can be brought to their knees by the harshness of winter. The large truck carrying logs was stuck in deep mud, unable to move despite repeated attempts. Meanwhile, the powerful excavator approached, using its large lever to pull the truck out of the mud. Both vehicles worked hard to resolve the difficult situation, clearing the blockage and getting the truck out of the mud safely. The Ecolog 590F crane combined with the Logmax 7000C cutting head is a powerful and efficient piece of equipment for logging. With its flexible mobility and impressive hoisting power, the Ecolog 590F can operate in difficult terrain. The Logmax 7000C cutting head, with its advanced technology, cuts and processes wood quickly and accurately, suitable for large-scale logging operations. This is the ideal combination to increase productivity and reduce costs in the woodworking industry. Vermeer HG6800TX is a wood crusher is a specialized equipment for processing wood, turning them into small pieces or wood pulp. The machine works by using sharp blades or crushing hammers, which help to chop wood into more easily processed materials such as sawdust, wood chips, or wood pulp. These products can be used in the wood processing industry, paper production, or as biofuel. Wood crushers save time and effort, while optimizing the recycling and use of wood.
County. Trailer up,
If you find these moments worthwhile, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to join us on the journey to discover the best moments from Top Moments TV. Get ready for explosive emotions and thrills every second of the next episode.